Today we'll try to explore one more new topic, and this is related to one of the interview question. So let me open the notepad. So the interviewer asked the question is they giving the one number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, for example. So and output should be the 1 plus 2. So what it becomes 3. Sorry, 3. Later 2 plus 2 and output is 4. After that 3 plus 2 output is 5, and finally 4 plus 2 so equals to 6. So in user will be given 1, 2, 3, 4, and output should be the 3, 4, 5, 6. So what he asked now, so take the second digit. So whatever is the second digit, so add that. So if you get second digit is for example 5, so then all change this to the 5. So on the similar way, output will be changed. So this is the question he asked. So now we'll try to how we can do with this UiPath. So let me take this as an activity, and I'm making one variable which we call user input. If you want, you can take input dialog box. You can asset as of now it's standard going. So I make it as user input, and I'm giving the number as 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me change this variable type to the integer. So first step has done. After that, so I want to loop. So every time there is no guarantee to give the only 1, 2, 3, 4. So he will give 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 also. It might be that depends. So for that, we don't know exact count now. So for that, I'm using for each loop. For each loop. So just take this for each loop and update this user input. So we need to loop it that one. Na? So basically it will give this error because whatever you are taking this user input is in the format of integer. So just change to this string format. Dot, let me update this dot to string. Okay, after this you can put one message box whether I'm getting this data or not. Just checking purpose. So why it's not getting current item? Let me copy and paste it. We'll see. Current item dot to string. Let me check whether I'm getting these values or not. So one, I'm getting the output. So now what we need to, so we need to add that. So before adding, we need to get the second value. So to get the second value, so what I will do, just I will go this here. For getting the second value, so I will just step into and I will take this user input. So it's having 1, 2, 3. So what I will do, I will use here mid function. So this is a one function mid. After that, user input dot to string. So where I want to start. So I need to start from second, and where I want to stop. So I will start from. So I need only the one character after the second. So when I put this, I will get this number 2. For example, if I need the third number, for example, so I will get third number. After that, I need to get 2, 3, 4. Now, then if you give here 3, 3, 4. So where you need to start and how many words you need. So as of now, I need to start from the second word and end with only one. So that's why I will take this one. So let me copy this and I will stop here. So here inside I need to add each and everything now. For that again I'm taking this as an activity. So let me put as an activity. Here I will make it as final output. Let it be final output. So the final output I will make into this string because if I give that number it's keeping adding. So that's why I will make it this final output as normal thing. And before that I will assign one more activity and make it as, let me remove. Okay, I will take temp number only. Let it be. After insert I need to add these numbers, each and everything. So first time what it will get current item dot to string. So later I will convert everything to integer dot to string plus Bit of already I taken now, so I just copy and here make it. So now I need to convert everything into the integer. So CINT plus CINT of this thing. So let's read that. And this one I will make everything into the number. So let me change this to temp number to number integer. So now this won't disappear. So after what I will do, I need to append this data to here. So how I'm appending means, so just I will make it here temp number dot to string plus final output. So initially my final output is zero. No? I mean it's a blank. So like that it will update. So now let me run one by one. So I need to check whether I'm getting the perfect output or not. So just I will check. First of all, I need to check this temp number. So I got this three. And I need to check this final output, how it will work. Final output, let me check next time. Basically, this final output should come. Let me check this temp number plus what I given here. Temp number dot to string plus final output having some issue. So final output is not declared. So maybe I not declare this variable which is inside of that sequence body. Okay, let me run this. Now I will check here final output what it will having. So we can see it's a null. So let me check. So now I will go with the temp number. So temp number is working fine, but the final output having some issue. Let's sort out that. First of all, I will change the variable scope. Final output should be in the sequence. Okay, and let me check what it is having. So initially final output, let me make it as blank. Final out and make it as blank. I'm rerunning this board and we'll see what type of output it will throw here. So first of all, I will check here final output. It's having some blank data. Then it's give that number and now I will check final output again. So now it's got three. Let let me run again. So let me check. So it's coming four, but we need output as three like this. Let me reopen that notepad. Okay. So output it's come three, four, but it's giving reverse now. So just change this one. So let me change this to reverse. This is done. So after that, I will put one message box outside of this for each and I will make it as final output. I will run end to end now all at once. And we can see this. So what we given? So we given the input as 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, here. And output what we got? 3, 4, 5, 6. So we got this 3, 4, 5, 6 output. So this is a way how we can do that. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, make sure to hit that like button, share with your friends, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to turn off notifications so you never miss an upload.